Hi everyone, my name is Kezia. I'm a third-year PhD candidate in software engineering here at the University of Victoria. My research is in the human aspects of software engineering. Particularly, I'm interested in how the way people behave on software development teams impacts the software that they produce. I'm also the Inspire Program Manager, which is a program here at UVic also that focuses on giving students in software engineering and computer science opportunities for experiential learning projects. So you might be wondering how I ended up in computer science, and when I was taking my first undergrad courses, I took a computer science class as an elective, and I decided that I actually really loved problem solving. Another thing I really liked about computer science is that I was able to draw from so many different domains because problems all over the world need to be solved. Problems with psychology, problems in business, so on and so forth. I ended up taking a computer science course in my first year and pursued the degree all throughout to get my bachelor's degree in it, and it ended up being really amazing and led me to the research that I've done so far. Many people have the kind of idea that computer science is not really a field for women, and maybe a long time ago that was the case, but things are really changing now with programs at UVic such as the Inspire program that I am running right now, and also other clubs like WEX, Women in Engineering and Computer Science. It is becoming increasingly more welcoming and inclusive space. What I love about my career is that with research I get to be creative. I choose the problems that I solve and I get to choose how I solve them and who I solve them with. At the moment I see myself becoming a professor of computer science, and I've always loved teaching, and I think that it's really impactful for underrepresented groups to see a professor that also belongs to an underrepresented group in a STEM field. I remember my first calculus course when my female professor walked into the room. I was shocked, and I suddenly believed that maybe I could be not only okay in the course, but that also I could be standing where she was. My best advice for you as you go on to this next chapter in your lives is to not listen to all of the advice that you're given. I was told when I was at the end of high school not to go to university because that's not something that women needed to do, so I decided to go and get a PhD instead. The worst thing you can do is try something and not like it, and you're not stuck when you're in university. You can switch between programs, so I would say the best thing you can do, choose what advice you listen to and always try everything that interests you.